Welcome everyone back to Mr. Da Weather Update. In today's video, we're going to see the latest on the rain radar to see if there's going to be any rain for the next few days. So you can see here, no rain on the radar yet, at least for now. It will just be cloudy as we've seen for the last 2 days, as this blocking high is still over control over the Atlantic as well. So no rain to look forward to, I'm afraid. Now looking at the temperatures, again around the average 11 to 15 degrees with some fog possible in the morning like we've seen. Now looking at the UKV, looking at if there's going to be any precipitation, there's plenty of cloud to look at for. Maybe seeing some drizzle in tomorrow morning. Otherwise, again, just rewind as we're a little bit too far back. For the outlook of Sunday, again, thick cloud. Just put it down. Thick cloud mostly. Maybe some drizzle in some of them clouds, as you can see from the radar. Maybe a little bit clear in the northeast. Then it's clouding up there anyway. On to Monday, again, cloudy weather. And all of the UK is cloudy, so no one's going to see the sun on Monday. For Tuesday, well, in some areas it is a little bit more clearer, but still could have some thicker cloud around. On to Wednesday, again, it could be the cloud could be a little bit thinner in some areas, but otherwise still quite cloudy. Same goes for Thursday, again, thick cloud around as well. On to Friday, it does look a little bit more rainy. On to Friday, is that the last one? I was getting into Scotland and Ireland as well. Looking into the temperatures then. Try and get into 10. Looking at the temperatures for today, you can see it's going to be around 11 to 12 degrees in most areas. So again, sticking to the mid to low teens for the outlook. Now on to Monday, we can see, well, getting a little bit lower, so low teens, maybe even the high single digits as well. Now looking on to, we need to look on to Tuesday, so looking on to the 60th hour, I believe. There we go. 11 to 12 again, maybe a touch warmer, but still could see some single digits. Onto the 84th hour. Yeah, again, warmer. Well, sorry, milder, if I have to say, as well. You can see 14 degrees are possible in them areas. And on to Thursday, again, it could be a little bit cooler, more low teens than usual. And there is the outlook for Friday. So, like I said, for the past few days, we've had this area of high pressure, as we can see here, dominating our weather. So, you can see here, if I have a look at for next week, we could still see it's on control. This is the 8th of November, as you can see here. It does start to weaken slightly, but then it comes back up again on to next Monday. So again, it is blocking high, 1040 millibars, so very high. So we could see definitely some warmer weather, but then as we get a little bit closer to the end, mid-month, you can see it does start to weaken slightly. It does weaken a bit as we get into. It does start to weaken a little bit, but then there's another area of high pressure maybe trying to get in. We'll have to see what happens there. It's a little bit unclear, a little bit uncertain on what happens. Otherwise, most of the time, it will be the high pressure will be giving us some trap cloud. I'm not using my pen yet, sorry. Which will be giving us this trap cloud for at least until the 18th of November. Which is going to give us trap cloud for the area. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.